Hey kids, it's Mrs. Compton, and I've got a question for you. How do you see this array? All right, they're in circles, they're not in squares, but it's still an array, right? It still has the same number of columns and the same number of circles in each column and the same number of circles in each row, right? So we have an array here. Okay, now I want to see how you see this array. Hit pause, take a second. All right, take some guesses. I'm going to guess that some of you right away just tried to count it, right? So maybe you counted all of them and found out that there were 18 green circles. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So there were 18 green circles. I'll just write circles. Okay, maybe some of you actually saw it like this though. Two rows of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 rows of 6 makes 12. And then you just added on another row of 6, and that made 18. I bet there are people out there giving the signal that they did that. Okay, I'm going to change my color so we can kind of keep track here. So let's see. I have another guess. I'm going to guess that some of you didn't look this way horizontally, but maybe you looked vertically and split it in half. And you just thought about these here and these here. So this would be a perfect square. We've got a 3 by 3 right here and another 3 by 3 right here. So maybe you knew it was going to be the same as 2 groups of 9, or you could say 9 plus 9. Still makes 18, doesn't it? So interesting. And of course, if you add the 3 and 3 together, that makes 6, right? Because you can split apart numbers when you multiply. Okay. Maybe some of you just saw them in columns of 3s, like this. And you just counted. Let's count by 3s. Ready? Get ready. Get ready. Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. All right, so 6 groups of 3 makes 18. Well, let's write that down. 6 groups of 3 makes 18. What other fact families could we write? We might as well. Let's just do it. Okay, so 6 groups of 3 makes 18. What else could we do? Well, you're probably going to say we could do this one, right? So we could use the commutative property and just change the order, 3 times 6. So that would be looking at it like, I need a new color, you guys. I'm out of colors. Well, I'm not really out quite yet, but this would be looking at the fact family like this. 1, 2, 3. 3 groups of 6 make 18. So the fact family actually means something. It shows up in the picture. So then the next one we could do would be 18 divided by 6. So if we had 18 dots and put them into groups of 6, boom, 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 we'd end up with 3 groups. And if we started with 18 dots and put them into groups of 3, boom, 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 we'd end up with 6 columns, right? So our whoa, that was a messy 6. Our fact families shows up in the picture. It's time to start noticing and wondering everything and everywhere you go. It's crazy the things that we can relate to, you guys. All right, it's time for you to do your thing. I'll see you next time, kids. Bye.